Yo, what's up everyone? So I've been asked a lot recently how I personally make custom textures for items in Hypixel, like specific items like the Atom Split Katana or the Ragnarok X. And I looked around on YouTube and there's not too many guides for this. There's a couple, but they're not exactly up to date. A few of them are for 1.8.9 and it doesn't really explain it. Most of them go through, you know, old methods or old mods that just don't exist on 1.21.11. So this is going to be an updated version. To do this, you will need the mod firmament, as it's going to read the hypixel IDs in the texture pack and just allow you to use them. So if you don't have it, you can get it on Modrinth. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a new folder right here. And you're going to name this whatever you want your texture pack to be called. Me personally, I'm just going to name it test for the sake of the video. Okay, so you're going to want to go inside this folder and create a new folder called assets. You're also going to want to create a new text document called pack.mcmeta. And just get rid of the text dot right here. It's going to ask you if you're sure. You're just going to say yes. So inside of assets, you're going to create new folder. Call this one firmskyblock. Just one word. You're also going to want to add a Minecraft folder in here in case you're planning on adding things like custom glints and other unique stuff that you have to override Minecraft's original textures. Dig into that into another video. So you're just going to open up firmskyblock and you're going to click new and you're going to create a new folder and name it textures. Inside of the firmskyblock folder, you're also going to create another folder and name it models. So the models folder will have your .json. It just reads the fact that the item is what it is in Skyblock. So, for instance, Atom Split _ Katana is the ID of the Atom Split Katana in game. This will essentially just allow you to add your JSONs to read that to apply your textures. So inside of textures, you're going to want to upload whatever PNG you want that has your item on it. If you go to paint.net and open it there, you can see it. I'm not going to make a new one. I'm just going to upload this other one from my other pack and just show you that it works. I can change a few things just to prove that I'm not just like overlapping. So I'll just scribble this out just to prove, just to make it unique and prove that it's not, something fake. And if you save it and then re-upload it, it'll have the scribbles. You can make something custom, you can upload something from a website, it doesn't matter. So you're going to name it Atom Split _ Katana, and then you'll go back and open a model, and you're going to create new text document. You're going to change this to a JSON. You're going to name it exactly what the texture is, so Atom Split _ Katana for reference. And it's going to ask you if you're sure. You're going to click yes. So inside of models and inside of Atom Split Katana JSON, you're just going to paste this. It'll be in the comments below. If you want to change the item and say don't want to Atom Split Katana, all you have to do is change the names of both your texture, your JSON, and inside the JSON right here, you change this to whatever the ID is. So for Ragnarok, it'll be Ragnarok _ X, etc., etc. So you're just going to save this file here and close out of that. And we're almost done. I have one more thing to do. So this is the last thing you're going to do. Inside of test, just the first page, you're just going to open your pack. And right here, you'll see pack Mcmeta. You're going to open this with Notepad. And let me get rid of these. You're just going to paste this. It'll also be in the comments. You'll have a bracket at the front and a bracket at the end. Make sure you don't forget the brackets, because if you do, it won't work. You're going to have pack format of 75. That is for the newest version. And whatever you want your description for your pack to be. Then you're just going to save this and close out of it. And we should be done. I'm going to load back into the game and show you the pack. Okay, so inside of textures and models, I forgot to add the file item to both of them. And you're just going to drag your texture in there and your .json in this one. So you're going to create a folder, name it item, and you're just going to drag your JSON in there. This should fix it. Let's load up Minecraft hypixel skyblock and test it out. Okay, so we're inside of hypixel skyblock now. We're just going to load test. And as you see, it shows our broken scribble texture. This will work with every item, no matter what it is. If you need any help, just comment down below. I'll be happy to respond. Catch you in the next one.